And so when we're talking about cannabis products, cannabis extracts, it's important to understand just which elements of the cannabis plant we're actually talking about and we're actually utilizing. A lot of the time, medicines and cannabis products contain a lot more than just THC or CBD, and they include terpenes, flavonoids, a number of other different phytocannabinoids that are found within the cannabis plant. Again, there's over 100. And so it's really important that we know what the ratios are, which exact compounds are going into the body, so that we can reliably predict what effect that's going to have in the body. Now, CBD is just one of the 1,000 cannabinoids in the cannabis plant, which all have their own unique therapeutic potential as well. And so it's important that you understand that there's a lot more in cannabis than just THC and CBD, which we hear talked about a lot of the time. And all of those compounds affect the body in slightly different ways, but they also all have their own therapeutic applications and potential as well. And so it's just that THC and CBD have been the most researched so far, and that's why we hear the most about them. But there's a whole soup of cannabinoids in cannabis and other compounds in cannabis that also have incredible potential in a whole host of diseases as well. So when we talk about cannabis products, it's important to understand that the body absorbs, digests, and manages these products in different ways. And so depending on the way that you're administering them to the body, a different proportion of those cannabinoids will be utilized or accessible to the body, and not all administration routes are equal.